guys, it's great having my grandma here with us. We are going to make some freezer jam today. I love my grandma's freezer jam. She is so good at making it, especially on her homemade toast. It's absolutely amazing.
You could make this with any fruit, I want you to know, and they happen to have been given a whole bunch of extra strawberries. So I hope you like strawberry
I love
freezer
strawberry
jam.
freezer jam.
Does that break your heart, Blake, that you're gonna, when you get back in from working, you're gonna get to have some of Grandma's freezer jam?
Not even a little bit.
The thing is, strawberries are expensive, so you can mix it with any fruit. You can mix fruits, do whatever. I'm just going to teach you a bit simpler and cheaper, because normally people to do freezer jam use Sure-Jell.
Okay.
And you have to heat it and prepare it and do the exact amount of sugar. But we're working with Clear-Jell today.
Okay.
And Clear-Jell, you can do anything, even diabetics could use it, and it will still thicken without sugar.
Awesome.
So you can put the desired sugar that you want. So I'm going to do it healthy for you today.
Healthy?
And you won't even know it.
So Blake is gonna run his truck tire to the shop, and Grandma's gonna show us how, and my cute daughter-in-law is gonna help out. She wanted to learn how too. So, all right,
Yeah,
Blake, when you get
she
back,
is.
there will
Come
be
on
some freezer jam ready when you get
Sounds
back.
Good. Good luck.
All right, love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
I'll get another knife.
Here, it's all yours, because
Oh,
we're
perfect.
gonna, let me
Turn it over to
tell you just a little bit about it, Shalem.
Okay.
When we lived in Hawaii for 18 months, I had an abundance of fresh fruit. It was growing in our front yard, even mangoes, papayas,
Oh my goodness.
passion fruit, bananas, all of that. And so I can't stand to waste, and I just loved the taste of all of them. So you can do it with any fruit you want.
So have you made a mango freezer jam?
Oh
or
yes.
Really?
Yes. All of those tropical fruits, I did it. I even put pepper flakes in it and put it over cream cheese.
Really?
And my coworkers loved it. So
Did you do that with papaya or mango or what?
or
did you put
all of the above and
Wow.
more. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Well, Mom, all
So-
these that you're saying, you're gonna have to teach each of them so I can sample
No.
each.
It's a principle, is what it is.
No, I want to be the taste tester though.
Oh, you want to be the taste tester. I'm going to say the principle is that with Sure-Jell, you have to follow the recipe exact. And with this, it's all you have to know is this is Clear-Jell. You can get it. It's what commercial food processors use to make like instant puddings and stuff like that. This is Clear-Jell instant.
So where would they get Clear-Jell?
Online. Go online.
Okay.
Okay, and you can find it. You can find your best price. Then you see, we just rough chopped.
How
these.
many
That's it.
strawberries did you chop up? Do you measure?
I'll show you how we're gonna measure. We're gonna
Okay.
put it in
So you
here.
just chop them all up first.
I have washed my hands, and I do it the fast and the easiest way when I do food processing. You put it in, it's rough chopped. There's 2 1/4.
2 1/4
I'm gonna
cups.
do some more.
Okay. So you can
So
add that to the
it's
quarter
what
that
I'm
not
going
saying.
to do, and you'll find that Grandma does not do exact.
You're not a measure.
I do not do exact, but I'm going to put, this was 2 1/4.
Yes.
Okay, there's your Grandma's measurements of 3/4 of a cup, okay? All right, so we have 3 cups there that we're going to be working with, all right?
I've got some more strawberries for you.
Thank you. Now, the formula for this is for every cup of fruit. I like, because I'm cutting back on sugar, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. So a cup of fruit to 1/3 a cup of sugar. And to a cup of fruit, 1 rounded tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of clear gel. Okay? So we have 3 cups there, so what would that be? It'd be a cup of sugar, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. And it would be 3 tablespoons of clear gel. Okay? Now, I can tell you, I need another little bowl if I could have it. Shalea, do you know where it is?
How
Because if you will mix your clear gel and your sugar together, it doesn't lump. Thank you, that's perfect. Okay? There it is.
So mix this together before it goes
Mix
in.
it really good.
So if you
Go
don't,
ahead.
it lumps up.
Uh-huh. It's made from a corn derivative, but it's not like cornstarch that will just instantly disintegrate in a liquid, you know? How they make it, I don't know. But you'll just be shocked. See, you can see
Yeah.
all of the powder here,
Yeah.
get it nice and mixed. And then all she's gonna have to do is stir it in here, and it will instantly thicken, and it goes to the containers.
Really?
And there's no cooking, there's no anything.
I always thought it was a
It
lot more
is-
complicated.
Oh, it is, if you use the freezer jam that 90% of the people use from Sure Gel.
So not sure gel, that we're wanting clear gel.
This is clear gel, Maxi Clear Gel or Instant Clear Gel. And these are just Tupperware containers. You can put them in anything you wish to have your,
Well, I'll get a bigger one for me if you want me to. So
sounds good.
All right, I
Okay,
think it's good. Just mix
you're
it.
making it. You're gonna be,
Wow.
you're gonna be.
So if I mess it up.
There's no way to mix it up. You've done the hard part, and that's just mix
That-
up
I
the
probably should
clear
use that
gel
one.
and the
and that's
sugar.
the healthier stuff because we only put a little bit of sugar.
Yes.
Just a cup
If
of
it-
sugar.
No, if it were Sure Gel, instead of a cup of sugar, you would have had to have put at least as much fruit. So it would have been at least 3 to 4 cups of sugar. For freezer jam, it's over the amount of fruit. So you're eating more. You are eating more fruit. I mean more sugar
More
than you
sugar.
are fruit. Show how it's already. See, that's thickened.
Yeah,
It's not like this.
you're right.
See? It has a wonderful texture. Okay,
All right.
put it in. You're
So
done.
do you measure when you put these in?
No,
How far up should I go?
you leave a little headspace for the freezer
When it
so that it
freezes.
doesn't expand and make your freezer sticky. But you can use any size, any kind of container that you could normally put in the freezer.
Wow, that's awesome.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go. All yours.
All right.
Grandma,
Yeah.
are you making homemade bread for us today too?
Actually, I'd love to learn how to make homemade bread too.
Now wait a second, because what I know is Casey makes amazing homemade bread.
That's
and-
true.
That's very true.
We always
She does.
buy from our grandchildren if they're willing to do it, even though Grandma knows how, because it teaches them the craft.
Is that
Little
a
more,
good?
little more. Yeah, and you can just, yeah. See,
Blake's gonna be so happy.
good. Goes great
So will
on.
we.
It goes great on waffles. It goes great on ice cream.
Oh, we're just a little bit left on here.
That's okay. It
Seriously,
doesn't-
this stuff is amazing. So
I couldn't believe how quick that was.
seriously,
Yeah.
Mom, that was quick and easy.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll scrape this out real quick before we
Yeah.
move on.
So, Mom, how do you want to close out your? This is her first. Well, she's got her intro video, and if you're watching this one, you better go like and subscribe. But how do you want to end this first do-it-yourself video as you've taught your grandkids?
I would highly encourage you to try clear gel. That's one thing. because you can put in a salt, pepper shaker, thicken your chili or your green chili, stir it in. Think about the technique of instant pudding. And when you have instant pudding, you really, your mind just starts to expand on what you can do with it. There will be other things I will teach you. You can have the drippings of your pot roast, put it in a blender, add some clear gel, salt, pepper, seasoning, and you have instant gravy. So try clear gel. I think you'll be amazed. You can cook with it, or it will instantly thicken. So either way, it works great. We're going to go ahead and finish this and get hopefully all of these in for Blake and the rest of the family. And I just appreciate getting to teach a granddaughter how to do it. So
Blake's gonna be really happy.
So check out Sweet Grandma Adeline's channel.
thank you.